Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Toyota Tacoma. We'll start by laying down the fundamental proportions, ensuring your drawing has a solid foundation. Focus on getting the overall length and height correct, perhaps a ratio of about 3:1. Then, lightly sketch the main body, including the cab and the truck bed. Finally, accurately place the wheels and tires, making sure they fit well within their respective wheel wells. This initial step is crucial for a realistic outcome. Next, let's bring the front end and cab to life. Carefully draw the iconic Toyota grille, followed by the headlights and the robust front bumper. Pay attention to their unique shapes and angles. Then, define the windshield and side windows, ensuring they align with the cab's structure. Don't forget to add the side mirrors and the subtle door lines, which will give your Tacoma a more finished and authentic appearance. Now, we'll move to the truck bed and rear section. Focus on detailing the tailgate, ensuring its lines are crisp and accurate. Add the taillights, paying close attention to their specific design. Refine the wheel arches and give your tires some realistic tread patterns for a dynamic look. Finally, sketch the rear bumper and any visible exhaust components, bringing the entire rear profile into sharp focus. This adds depth. For our final slide, let's add those crucial finishing touches. Carefully erase any initial construction lines, leaving only your refined outlines. Now, it's time to apply shading. Use varying pressure to create depth and highlight the Tacoma's contours, making it appear three-dimensional. Don't forget to include small but important details like emblems, door handles, and the fuel cap. These elements truly complete your drawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.